Gujarati film industry had a very different kind of storytelling pattern for over so many years now. We are at a stage in Gujarati industry that so many young people would want to go and watch Gujarati films. There is Pratik, and people are loving him.
I guess it's a story of everyone's life. So that was a prime factor for me to be a part of it.
Every problem has a solution. Only thing is, it has to be presented in a very comfortable fashion. That's what I believe.
This is the subject that needs to be discussed in society too. It's a very simple thing. It's nothing complex, but generally, largely what happens is that it is so simple, so common that we tend to ignore it. कि ये तो ऐसे ही होगा, ये इसको डिस्कस नहीं करते. Very, very lucky to have a life partner like Bhavni, who constantly supports you in thick and thin of life.
Pratik and Bhavni, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much for having us.
Pratik, when I came to know that there is this interview with you and your wife, I was very happy because I've known about your entire journey that you guys have had. So, Bhavni, tell me, what does Scam 992 mean to you?
Very important phase of our life, because we've seen Pratik, working so hard, passionately, with all his efforts to get somewhere, to find a superb script and to get the best opportunity. And everything happened, and everything happened in such a way that it has reached so many people at large, that it has fetched, it fetched the required, the results. This is what he was waiting for. And when you see somebody working so hard for so many years and you get there, it's the best feel. It's the best feel. It's very overwhelming, but it's the best satisfying feel.
When anyone just gets to know about the journey that you guys have had, it is so fascinating the way you have supported him, because he's an engineer, but acting is a passion for him, and it was very important for you to believe in him. And it took him a bit of a time to just get what he deserved.
To me, he was never only an engineer. Okay, he was always working. Apart from his engineering, his job, he was always working as an actor. He's been working for more than 17, 18 years now as an actor. So that always counts for a person in any profession. It always counts, your experience. It helps you to grow as a person and as an actor. This is where he is now because of all his hard work.
Pratik, I genuinely believe, there is a story. There is a web series as far as the relationships that you and Bhavni share. And I think it's really inspiring and very interesting as well. Tell me, what has been her role in you becoming this Pratik Gandhi that everyone wants to get a piece of? आपके पास मुझे सुनने में आया 2030 तक आपके पास time नहीं है because you have too many films lined up. I'm exaggerating, but everyone wants to work with you. Everyone would love to work with you. Scripts are being written with you in mind. So, how do you look at this journey that you had with Bhavni?
Yes, one has to be very, very lucky to have a life partner like Bhavni, who constantly supports you in thick and thin of life, in all the times that we've gone through. Everything, be it medical emergencies at home, be it that time where we suddenly became homeless, whether there was a time of financial crunch, whether there was a time where I was stuck between multiple things and I didn't know what to choose. Every time, Bhavini was with me as a strong support. And I guess she has constantly encouraged me for going and achieving that extra mile, pushing myself. हो जाएगा, करते हैं. And I will not lie, throughout this journey, we have had multiple breakdowns also. Like we fought a lot about the time commitments, the extra time commitment that I had, a lot of things happening together in life. So I guess the best part is that we've gone through a lot. We have seen everything, but the best part is that we have done everything together. And I guess that togetherness is the strength that we cherish.
All right, and Bhavni, I'll come to Shimi shortly before anyone reminds me. But I was really keen to talk to you guys. So now, the way Pratik, the sort of journey that Pratik has had, and I really loved his performance in Mitro, for example. I think he was absolutely hilarious. And I was in Ahmedabad, and I've seen the craze that Pratik has in Gujarat. So first he became this superstar in Gujarat. So how was that phase for you when he became this well-known name in Gujarat? What did it mean for you?
He began with Gujarati films because the first film that it came to him was a very different and a very nice story for Gujarati film industry per se. Because Gujarati film industry had a very different kind of storytelling pattern for over so many years now. But this was a good one, and he wanted to give it a shot. That why not? Because it's a mother tongue, and they are going a mile to change it and to make it better, to reach out to so many people. Because over the period, it had become that the regional films were only left for the senior citizens, the elders. The young generation wouldn't go and reach out to Gujarati films or their mother tongue films, their regional films. So that was a very good concern area, that if we work with a different strategy, it might reach out to a lot of people, and the stories now are different for Gujarati industry. So when his vision, his thoughts, his his feeling for the films and the way people are working for Gujarati films, when I saw that coming true, it was like, yeah, he's right, that it was reaching to so many people. Now we are at a stage in Gujarati industry that so many young people would want to go and watch Gujarati films. There is Pratik, and people are loving him. So it's a good feel, yeah.
No, absolutely. So Pratik, I was in Ahmedabad for the promotions of PK. Abhijat Joshi, the writer. So he's from Gujarat as well, and he said at the launch, he said that Gujarati theatre is wonderful. There's some very fine writers in Gujarati, and it's a matter of time that Gujarati film industry it really achieves what it deserves. And I'm talking about this, say 5-6 years back, 5-6 saal pehle ki baat main bata raha hu. How important is it for you as an actor who's having this pan India appeal now, maybe pan international appeal, because Scam has reached everywhere? And how important is it for you with your Gujarati roots to take this Gujarati content maybe to the world?
I guess I would be very happy if I get a chance ever to do that, and I would want to take Gujarati literature, Gujarati stories everywhere in the world. Having said that, I guess we are living in a time where language is no bar anymore.
Absolutely,
there are no restrictions as far as the languages are concerned. And stories, we believe in stories. That stories, cinemas will never have any language. There is only one language, which is emotions that we talk about in stories and in cinema. So I guess it can reach out to anybody. Now the audience is also trained with such a lot of platforms that we are consuming content from all over the world, even without knowing the language. But we understand it. So I guess it's a matter of time where all the regional cinema is also coming into mainstream, and the same with my mother tongue also.
No, it already is. I think Malayalam and Marathi, I think they're making some amazing content. Yeah. I think it's a matter of time that Gujarati does as well. All right, and so same with formats as far as content consumption is concerned. You've experienced that with say Scam, for example. The long format. Now you're coming up with Shimmy, which is like a short film format, which is coming up, and which is a very, very interesting format as well. So how do you look at this factor that there is no time bound element as far as the way people want to consume their content? तो 2 घंटे की फिल्म होगी तो ही देखेंगे. वो 15 मिनट में भी अगर आपने बांध के रख लिया अगर आपने ऑडियंस को, so they would watch it and they would take this entire idea forward. तो ये फॉर्मेट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सर फॉर्मेट की जहां तक बात है, मुझे ये लगता है कि हर एक कहानी की ना अपनी एक लेंथ होती है
जी.
कुछ कहानियां ऐसी होती हैं जिन्हें आप 20 मिनट में ही देख पाओगे. अगर उसको लंबा स्ट्रेच किया देन इट माइट नॉट वर्क. कुछ कहानी ऐसी है जिसके लिए आपको 3 घंटे चाहिए. अगर उसे छोटा कर दिया देन इट माइट नॉट वर्क. So I guess now we are, as makers also and as viewers also, everybody is open for it. That whatever the story requires, that treatment, that format should be given to it. And Shimmy is one of such stories, which requires to be told in maybe 20-25 minutes. And it does its magic in that time frame. So that's the format for Shimmy.
Bhavani, tell us, what does Shimmy mean to you, and how important is it for you?
It's a very, very beautiful film, a very important film. me being a daughter to my father, we have 3 sisters. So we know how the father-daughter relationship is important and is, it's not a very simple thing to put across all your thoughts and all your feelings to your father being a daughter. We are grown up in a society that we have to keep, a little limitation that certain things you can't discuss with your father if you are a daughter, and certain similarly goes with the son and a mother. But nicely, this story has weaved this thought, and the feel that it's not a problem. It's a routine thing which everyone goes through. So we, as 3 daughters, have always tried and done that. We made our father comfortable that because you have 3 daughters, you have no choice. You have to witness everything that will be discussed in the house. So let's be comfortable about it. So happy that this thing is not only on the palace, and everybody should watch it so that they can see themselves there. It's a wonderful subject, very, very.
And Pratik, why was it important for you to do a film like Shimi?
So there are multiple factors why I wanted to do a film like Shimi. First is the script itself, the way it is written, the way it explores those human emotions, also the complexity within the relationships, and I guess it's a story of everyone's life. So that was a prime factor for me to be a part of it. The other biggest factor is that it is coming from Guneet Monga and team, Sikya Productions. I had been a fan of their work. I had always, dreamt that if something comes from Guneet, I always would want to be a part of it. I have seen all the films that she's brought to us as viewers. So I guess this is just a matter of luck for me that I got to work with the subject, which is again going to be presented by her. And apart from this story, when I read the story, I could connect myself with it. Me being a father of a young daughter, I felt that somewhere down the line, I'm going to be in this situation. I'll be talking a lot of things with my daughter too. And this is the subject that needs to be discussed in society too. It's a very simple thing. It's nothing complex, but generally, largely what happens is that it is so simple, so common that we tend to ignore it. कि ये तो ऐसे ही होगा, ये इसको डिस्कस नहीं करते हैं, ये पार्ट मम्मा डिस्कस करेंगे, यही पार्ट पापा डिस्कस करेंगे, which should not be the case. So very important film, very cute film, and everything is spoken in the film is with the help of humor, because humor is, I guess, one vehicle that can communicate anything to people, and it works like wonders.
Bhavani, if you can please take it forward from here. What do you think is the importance of humor between, say, father and daughter? Because you have experienced yourself.
It's very important. It's very important, I would say, because for my father, it's like my grandmother, my mother, and we 3 daughters. So my father was only male member all through his life. And he had no go but to understand the female psychology, the way we think, the way we talk, the way we put across our requirements and the way we discuss. So a lot of time he would get... a lot of time he said that, please, you all just go from here. Don't discuss all these things in front of me. So it was a very nice thing. It was very important for us to make the situation little funny, little humorous, little light-hearted, so that my father is comfortable in the situation and he could also participate in the situation. So that was very important for us to, this is what we learned. This is what I learned, that if you want to put up your thought, put across your feeling, you better make it little light-hearted so that everyone is comfortable. Nobody is bothered or stressed out. Oh, okay, I have to witness the situation this way. No, it is better to make it a very easy situation so that everyone is comfortable, and then all the solutions could be found out. So every problem has a solution. Only thing is it has to be presented in a very comfortable fashion. That's what I believe.
So, Pratik and Bhavani, lovely talking to you. Thank you very much for your time, and congratulations for Shimi and having a great association between the two of you. And looking forward to everything that you guys will be doing. And Pratik, looking forward to all the wonderful stuff from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Faridul. Thank you very much. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.